This is Manya. This is a little thing. Esmeli is telling me that she's lifting up her leg. Manya is medium age and a very tiny thing. She's 25 centimeters tall. It's on with all the doggies, with all kind of people. She's not afraid to be in. We don't know when she appeared from. She was dumped in front of the shelter in Pernik. And because there are too many big dogs there, and she has a rare chance to survive, so they asked for help and we got her here. She lives in the yard usually. She's mothering Dumpy. But now we're trying her how she will be indoors. Moncho, she's giving kisses to my back right now. Manya, she's quiet, doesn't bark. She loves cuddles. She's giving kisses. Manya, she's almost the size of a cat. Actually, some of the cats are even bigger. She's castrated and vaccinated against rabies by the shelter. We've done only the full vaccine. She's been tested again for the vector-borne disease. Everything is negative. She's healthy and cuddling, as you could see. Manya, come on, bravi. Come on. She's a brindle cute thing. You see my hand? She's a little bit bigger than one hand. She found herself a bed. Manya. Cât e greu. Manya, că cum am oprat asta? Manci. Mănițca. Mănițca, зваричка. А нема ли некој мачетук?
Имам бебета много малки, подавахи.
И?
Те са много манички, те са по 300 грама.
Meredith tried her only with very small kittens, which are about 300 grams. But she didn't do anything, just sniffed them. We hope that she won't be having troubles with any kind of animals in general, because she's very loving thing and very caring. Manya. Manichka. Mary has something in her hands and Manya thinks there is a food and she's ready. It's not nice. This bread, she doesn't like it. If someone feels like could give a home to this tiny thing, which even makes herself at home on this, actually this is a bathroom mat, which means you will not be having any troubles to settle in quickly. Please give us a message. It's pointless to waste her life here because she doesn't get much human attention. She's playing with the doggies, but that's it. Manya.